Mula sa Tuguegarao City, good morning everyone! Or as we say it in the Ibanag language, Diyos taumani ka mo ngamin. This is your King of the World. Samahan niyo ako para sa isang epic adventure at saksihan ang katuparan ng pinapangarap kong pag-ikot sa buong Pilipinas gamit ang mumunti nating motor. Ready na ba kayong lumarga? Let's go in 3, 2, 1!
I can't feel anything but gratefulness right now. Look at that view. So we survived Manila, SM City North EDSA.
Alright, so we are now on board Fastcat from Caticlan Jettyport going to Bulalakaw Port in Mindoro.
We are now leaving Port of Bulalakaw here in Mindoro. Let's go. Time check, it's 6:59 in the morning and we are heading straight to the Port of Calapan at dediretso tayo ng Batangas. So road trip lang ulit to. Woohoo! Good morning! Hello Mr. Sun! Nice! Ganda ng mountain range in the morning. First impression so far of Mindoro, very scenic. Ganda. Ganda ng kalsada. Ang ganda ng tanawin, grabe. Tapos parang very rural lang, oh. Parang ang sarap tumira dito. Ito na yung start and please. So minsan umiiwas lang tayo sa twisties pag yung pagod na tayo. Kasi mahirap eh, baka madisgrasya pa tayo. Pero ngayon, maaga ba? Game naging tayo dyan! Look at those mountain views, ganda. Mansalay Public Market. Hello. Ito na nga, nadaanan ko na rin. The famous saging. Pinamalayan, Paraiso ng Bahaghari. 5,370 kilometers so far for this trip. Hindi na lang matatapos na to. Welcome to the city of Calapan. This is going to be the last Roro that we're going to take for this Philippine Loop Adventure Tour. Una, Matnog to Allen. Pangalawa, San Ricardo to Surigao City sa Lipata. Third, Dapitan hanggang Dumaguete. Fourth, Sibulan hanggang Santander. Fifth, Cebu hanggang Tubigon. Sixth, bumalik tayo Tubigon hanggang Cebu. 7, bumalik tayo ulit Santander papuntang Sibulan. 8, Bacolod to Iloilo up until Dumangas. Tapos ito na nga, Caticlan to Bulalakaw. Tapos last but not the least is going to be Port of Calapan. The 10th Roro and the last for our trip.
Okay, so for only the second time in this trip, Fastcat tayo. Good morning po.
We are now going to the north. And that is our last Roro ride for this trip. Puro road trip na to, wala na tong tawid dagat. Alright, back on familiar roads. Santa Tomas, Batangas. Welcome to Calamba City, SM City, Santa Rosa on your left. In terms of energy, marami pa tayong energy. Sarap yung tulog natin kanina from Caticlan to Mindoro, tapos from Calapan to Batangas. Kapag power nap tayo doon, kaya maganda yung energy natin ngayon. EDSA on a motorcycle for the first time. Although at this time, wala nga masyadong traffic ko. So, blessing in disguise na ngayon pala ako pupunta ng Manila. Everything happens for a reason talaga. So we survived Manila, SM City North EDSA. Woohoo! Monumento Circle, Valenzuela People's Park. We are now in May Kawayan City, Bulacan. Welcome to Bulacan, Bulacan. Unfortunately, mission failed tayo dito sa Malolos, Bulacan. Kasi sobrang daming tao sa Titas Kusina. Ang daming tao haba ng pila. And I am not willing to wait in line for that long.
Good morning, guys. It is now day 21 of our Philippine Loop Adventure Tour. And time check, it is currently 4:40 in the morning, February 10, 2024. At yun nga, penultimate day na natin on the road.
Thank you very much, El Vistra Travelers Inn. Time check, it's 6:06 in the morning. First up, Subic, Zambales. Welcome to Subic, gateway to Zambales. Welcome to the municipality of Castillejos, hometown of President Ramon Magsaysay Sr. Municipal Hall of Botolan, Zambales. Parang Muñoz Nueva Ecija lang, oh. Nice. For the second time, nalagyan ng basahan o kaya ng damit yung ating rear brake. Diyos ko, hindi ko alam kung saan galing yun. Chief, papatanggal ko lang yung sumabit na labakara dun sa brake.
Patas ko sa ganyan, 2 beses na yung nangyari. Ay, 3 na lang. So yun na nga, second time during this loop na nahulugan or nasigasaan natin yung labakara tapos pumasok sa brake natin. Buti nung una, natanggal lang natin. Ito ayaw pumasok talaga sa loob.
We are now in Mabini, Pangasinan. Dito po sa Mabini, Pangasinan, ito yung partner club din ng Sierra Madre Outdoor Club, which is the Balincagin Conservancy. They are a group of environmentalists, cavers, photographers. Grabe, napaka-active. Ang galing-galing. Headed of course by Sir Rawen Balmanya. Shout out sa iyo, Sir Rawen, at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Balincagin Conservancy. And I think we are now in Alaminos City. Alaminos City, home of the 100 Islands. Welcome to Dagupan. We're going to Cannon Road for the first time. Nice. First time ko dito mag-drive, kaya manghang-mangha ako. Kaya pala favorite ng mga tao dumaan dito. It's very scenic. Lamig. Tama yung idea ko na maglagay na ako ng jogging pants. And then I'll just put my other pants later on. Pero malamig na, dito pa lang. Umpisa pa lang. Welcome to Baguio City. Hindi, ginaw. Kamay ko nanginginig na Ay, naninigas na pala. We are now on our way to Atok, Benguet. Time check, it's 6:15 in the evening. And it's cold. I'm enjoying it though. Medyo masakit sa ulo yung lamig. Atok gaming sa gabi. Ginaw. Fog. Dito fog clouds na to Ganda ng effect ng ilaw. Ang lamig na kamay ko, namamanhit na. Those are the clouds being pushed by the wind up the mountain. Dang. Beautiful. Ginaw na beautiful pa rin eh. Zero visibility. Almost. Tipong 2% visibility. Oh crap. Can't see. I can't see. Awesome. Can't see anything. Just follow the lines. Almost there. Grabe, wala akong makita. Finally. Philippine highest point.
Cold! Let's do this quick, ang ginaw.
Shoutout kay Jeyo. Siya na tumutulong sa atin kasi fully booked na ang Budas. Sabi niya sa akin, doon na lang tayo sa Sakuras. Pwede naman mag-tent doon. So maraming salamat Kuya Jeyo.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sakura Park. Tanong lang natin kung mayroong accommodation or paano ba.
After struggling to find a place in Atok in the dead of the night, as all of the homestays I searched and visited were fully booked, I was fortunate enough to find a vacant room at Hate's Place. It was a very cold night, and I still felt chilly even with 3 layers of clothes, a 10-degree rated sleeping bag, and a thick blanket in a fairly insulated room. I could have been in big trouble if I slept in my tent instead, but just like a lot of times in this trip, I have been lucky and blessed to be in the right place at the right time. And waking up in Atok with the stunning mountain views and sunshine on my face, it was almost magical.
Major, shout out.
Igorot Explorer.
You know.
Yun know. Ayun, Igorot to.
Like and subscribe. Bakit mo siya hate space na?
Apelyido po namin.
Apelyido ninyo.
Si Susan.
Nice to meet you po. It is now our last day of the Philippine Loop Adventure Tour. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Atok Benguet at Hate's Place. At sobrang ginaw, promise. Naka 3 layers yata ako kagabi. And pumapasok pa rin yung lamig. Anyway, the plan for the day is we're going back to Tuguegarao. But first, we have to make a stop in Nawag for our next checkpoint. And then for our last checkpoint, pupunta tayo ng Apari. Kaya yun nga, medyo late na tayong nag-start. Pero ayos lang, sulitin natin yung last day. Coffee muna before we go. Siyempre, bago tayo malis dito sa Hate's Place, kailangan muna natin magtikit ng ating sticker. Mag-iiwan tayo ng bakas natin. Tara! Yan na nga. Ang ating sticker dito sa Hate's Place. Tuguegarao to Mindanao. Philippine Loop 2024.
I can't feel anything but gratefulness right now. Look at that view. Oh my God. Beautiful. Mukhang bibig ko masyadong beautiful. There's no other word to describe it. Amazing. Pwede rin. Pero parang mas heartfelt kasi beautiful. Napapaluha tuloy ako. At ngayon, walang backtrack. Hindi tayo babalik ng Baguio, hindi tayo babalik ng MacArthur Highway or Cannon Road. Besang pass tayo ngayon. Challenge to. Let's go! Do a real Philippine loop and wag nating balikan yung mga nakaraan. Awesome day. Ito lang ang dilemma ko. Hindi ko makaklose ng officially close yung loop mamayang gabi. Kasi feeling ko I'll be arriving in Tuguegarao very late at night. And the Shell station in Bagay is only open until 9 p.m. I think, or 10. So dadaanan ko lang siya, uuwi muna ako, and in the morning, that's when I'll officially end my Philippine loop. Kasi kailangan natin magpagas doon sa unang gas station na pinagpagasan din natin. Up until I receive the receipt that I've gassed up on the same gas station, doon pa lang matatapos yung Philippine loop natin, officially. Pero unofficially, mamaya tapos na to. Siyempre makakauwi na ako eh. So we are now approaching once again the highest point of the Philippine highway system. Ito na po yung view dito sa second highest point sa Atak Benguet. If I'm not mistaken, yan yung Mount Timbak na pinuntahan nila J4. So pupuntahan din natin yan soon. Pero iniisip ko pa kung ADV dala natin or hintayin ko munang magkaroon ng mas okay na sasakyan. So we'll see. Nice view. Awesome. So that is it for the second highest point of the Philippine highway system. Let's go. Kasalukuyan nating binabaybay ang Halsema Highway. Considered one of the most dangerous roads in the Philippines kasi bangin. Welcome to Bugyas. Welcome to Mangkayan, province of Benguet. We're now in downtown Mangkayan. We are now in Cervantes, Ilocos Sur there. Welcome, Cervantes, Ilocos Sur. Yeah. Woo. Ganda. Officially, wala pa ako sa Besang Pass. No. Cervantes, Ilocos Sur, you are so beautiful. Kita nyo yan? Grabe. Oh my God. I survived Besang Pass, baby. We are still in Suyo, Ilocos Sur. At ang labas nito mamaya, Tagudin. Candon City, Ilocos Sur. Nilibnos, Santa Maria. Welcome. Ibig sabihin ng Nilibnos. Welcome to Narvacan! There's the old Quirino Bridge. Sayang, di man lang ako nakapagpa-picture dyan before nasira. Time check, 2:51 in the afternoon. Siguro makakauwi ako ng Tuguegarao mga 12 midnight. Lawag City! Woohoo! Hindi ako makapagmabilis kasi ang lakas ng hangin, grabe. Natanga yung motor. Ito na ang drawback ng top box saka side boxes. Maraming kakapitan ng hangin. Nakakatakot. Lakas. Serving as windbreakers pa tong mga halaman dito sa gilid. Pero pag yung open yan, Diyos ko, lakas. See what the strong winds are causing. Look at the waves. Grabe. Ramdam mo dito yung bisik ng ng dagat. Alright, so home province na tayo. Tambay lang muna tayo dito sa Truck-Sedes. Kain na muna tayo ng dinner before tayo dumiretso. Grabe, sobrang maulan. Ay, nako. Nakakarating din. Welcome to Apari.
And it's not raining. Yay. Alright, so time check. It is not working. Time check, it's 9:25 in the evening. There's a welcome art ng Apari. Chill lang tayo. Then coffee. Hindi pa ako sure kung mag-stay ako sa hotel diyan or nagdaratsa kung tumigil ako. Hey, picture muna tayo. Ayun, tumambay muna tayo dito sa kainan harapan ng Apari Provincial Hospital kasi sobrang lamig, kailangan ko talaga magkape. Nanginginig ako sa ginawa. Ayun, I decided to go home to Tuguegarao ngayon na rin kasi it's less than pag matutulog ako dito. Mag-hotel pa ako, gagasto pa ako, lapit-lapit na lang 2 hours na lang. So yun, kape.
Ito na nga ang last checkpoint ng ating Philippine Loop Adventure Tour. Apari. Let's go home to Tuguegarao. Let's go! Let's complete this loop. 2 more hours of riding at makakauwi na tayo sa ating pamilya. Paano ba yan? Kita-kits na lang mamaya pagkukumpletuhin na natin yung loop. Later! Good morning mga Kofun. Eto nga, medyo anticlimactic na yung pag-end ng ating Philippine Loop dahil nakauwi na ako kagabi at 11:30 PM. Kaso lang, sarado yung Shell station kung saan tayo unang nagpagas at required na dito rin tayo magpagas para sa huling gas up natin. Kaya eto, papunta na tayo at tatapusin na natin ang ating Philippine Loop Adventure Tour 2024. Eto na po ang Shell Station, Bagay Road, Tuguegarao City. Morning po. And that officially closes our Philippine Loop Adventure Tour 2024. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga sumubaybay, sumuporta, at napaka-solid ninyo. Till next Philippine Loop. Woohoo!